Hello everyone. On the behalf of Signet Public School, I, Vidya Devi Bhabkar, would like to welcome and wish you all Happy Navratri. May Goddess Durga illuminate your life with countless blessings. Today, I am going to give you the importance of fourth day of Navratri. Navratri is one of the most popular festival in India and is celebrated every year with great enthusiasm and devotion. Although the type of celebration varies in different states, Navratri remains one of the most important festivals in Hindu tradition. It is celebrated in some states as the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana. Navratri is also known as Durga Puja in most of the northeastern states. Here, devotees worship the nine forms of goddess Durga and celebrate her victory over the demon Mahishasura. The festival of Navratri begins with the worship of Ma Shailaputri and is followed by the worship of Ma Brahmacharini on the second day. Ma Chandraghanta is worshipped on the third day, while the fourth day of Navratri is dedicated to Ma Kushmanda. Ma Kushmanda, also referred to as the smiling goddess. Ma Kushmanda is worshipped on the fourth day of Navratri. Ma Kushmanda is a happy manifestation of Ma Durga, and it is also believed that she is the creator of the entire universe. This is reflected in her name as well. The first word of her name is Ku, which means little. The next word, Ushma, means energy. And the third word, Anda, means egg. So, her name suggests that she is the creator of this little cosmic egg that we call our universe. Let us see what is the history and origin of Ma Kushmanda. Ma Kushmanda's story begins at the time when there was nothing. The entire universe was empty. There was no sign of life, and darkness prevailed everywhere. Suddenly, a ray of divine light appeared and slowly illuminated everything. Initially, this divine light was formless and had no particular shape. However, soon it started taking a clear size and finally it took the form of a lady. This divine lady, the first being of the universe, was Ma Kushmanda. It is believed that Ma Kushmanda was able to create this universe with her silent smile. She produced this little cosmic egg, and her smile took over the darkness. Ma Kushmanda replaced it with light and gave new life to this universe. Soon she created the sun, the planets, the stars, and the galaxies that fill our night sky. She seated herself at the center of the sun and is now believed to be the source of all energy in our universe. She provides life to all living beings through the sun rays and is therefore also known as Shakti. After this, Ma Kushmanda created three divine goddesses who were also the first beings of our universe. She used the central eye on her forehead to create a terrorizing form, Mahalakshmi. The second was created from her left eye and was named Mahakali. Finally, she used her right eye to create Mahasaraswati, a smiling, gracious form. Later, the body of Mahakali gave birth to a male and a female. The male was named Shiva and the female was named Saraswati. Similarly, Mahalakshmi also gave birth to a male Brahma and female Lakshmi. Ma Kushmanda then glanced at Mahasaraswati, who then gave birth to a male and female as well. The male was named Vishnu and the female was named Shakti. After this, Ma Kushmanda offered Saraswati to Brahma, Lakshmi to Vishnu, and Shakti to Shiva as companions. Later, Ma Kushmanda observed the three divine goddesses within herself and then entered Shakti as an object of divine, powerful, and unending energy. Ma Kushmanda is believed to be a form of Shakti and is known as the one who created this universe. She was the one who drove away the darkness and created the three divine goddesses and other gods as well. She rides a tiger and has a total of 8 arms. Each of these arms hold a particular object or weapon. She is usually depicted as holding a bow and arrow, a lotus, a mace, a pot of nectar, a rosary, a disc, and a kamandalu. Makushmanda is a divine, eternal being and is the source of all energy. She is known to bless her devotees with strength, wisdom, prosperity, and protects them from the troubles and hardships of life. At this time of worshipping Goddess Kushmanda, we should enchant mantra. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मा कुष्माण्डारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. Once again, I would like to wish you Happy Navratri. Thank you.